So, recently, and I wasn't going to talk about this because I didn't feel like this is actually going to happen, but I will cover it just because it is news. There was a patent revealed from Microsoft of a 360-degree foldable display that, just like we already know with the Z Fold 5, how, this goes 180 for that foldable display. Well, this one goes 360 degrees, and it is a foldable display, not two OLED panels. This is what it looks like, right? So, whenever someone files a patent, whether it's Microsoft, Samsung, Apple, etc., they don't get the patent right away. What ends up happening is they have to wait for it to get approved, and usually it takes about a year for it to get approved. So this is now recently came out because a year ago, back in 2022, Microsoft filed for this patent. Now, again, like I said, this patent is a flexible display. So it's not like the typical old phone where, of course, it's 360 degrees because it's two separate panels. This would be a 360 degrees phone, but with a foldable display, which would really change the whole entire market and absolutely just shake up everything. Let's be honest. When the Surface Duo 1 came out, that already shook up the market. Everyone's like, wait, hold up. We've seen 180 degree phones, but now you just showed us a 360 degree phone. Like that, this is different. This is crazy. Now, if they did the same thing with, flexible glass or flexible plastic glass, that would be even more insane. Here's the problem though. The cost it would take to make this phone. They already discontinued Surface Duo 2. They couldn't manufacture that phone anymore. I don't know if they would go on this adventure to actually make this phone. It would cost way too much for them to make, and they would sell this thing, if they did do it, for around $2,300-$2,400. No one would buy it. We already know the Surface Duo, in general, is a very niche device, right? While, yes, we do see a very polished device with the Galaxy series of the Z Folds, the Surface Duo, with all the problems, I will say, from Microsoft, giving up on a device, not giving up on it, turning it into an Xbox Game Pass, pulling that idea theory back to change their minds, and etc., pretty much. The general public at this point see it as a failure. They do. And even if Microsoft, in theory, came back and said, nope, we are going to now put out this phone, the Surface Duo 3, with a 360 degree hinge, 360 degree flexible glass, and this just shows that we are ready to put out the best product possible. It would cost $2,300 because it would cost so much for them to make. No one would buy it. And they're not going to do that. I 1000% believe they've fully abandoned any idea of a foldable phone future for Microsoft. Could they partner with another company and try to help another company go international and make money off that, through profit sharing? I would love to see it. But for them, even though, yes, they did file this last year, and maybe last year they had an idea, or they had a concept they wanted to create using this, I just don't think they're going to go with it at all. I think this was a idea they wanted to patent, and maybe they were, creating ideas, but that's pretty much that. They fired almost all of their Surface Duo team. Guys, I hate to say this because I love the Duo 1 and 2. I literally just bought another Surface Duo 2. It's been coming in the mail. I'll be doing an unboxing and reviewing it and everything like that in very shortly, in probably next couple of days. But even with how much I love the Surface Duo 1 and 2, guys, it's not going to happen. It's sad, but Microsoft fumbled the bag too much. And I will say, good on them for giving us updates for the Surface Duo 1 and 2. Duo 1, I think, as of October, is done with updates, because that's 3 years. And then the Surface Duo 2, next October, is done with updates. I know we all want it to be true that it's gonna go on forever. But sadly, that's just not the case, and the fairy tale, I guess you could call it, is over. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.